So today I'm gonna do a video cleaning a handbag that I got from a thrift store. So let's get started.
So this is how the bag looks. It's a shoulder bag that has some suede detailing on it. And before the video actually begins, I just want to say that this is not how you properly wash a suede bag. I didn't do my research beforehand on how to wash a suede bag, and I totally messed this up. So please don't follow my instructions. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So after you have your detergent and softener, and of course, please do not listen to anything that I'm saying. I'm just saying it because I already made the video, and this is kind of how you wash a bag, just not a suede one. You're also gonna need some water, unless you're a mermaid. I touched the water. I have something to tell you guys. I'm just kidding, or am I? So what I did after was just put the bag into the cold water and detergent mixture, and then I got a sponge and kind of scrubbed all on the inside and along the handles to get kind of the nooks and crannies to make sure that it's clean. And after the first wash, make sure to wash it a second time to get rid of all the soap and extra dirt. And after you're done washing, just leave it out to dry for a day or two, and then you're done. But I just want to reiterate, do not follow what I just said. If you have a suede bag, I messed up. I'm sorry, love. Don't listen to what I just said. But I hope that you really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.